Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to enable FaceTime on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is make sure that you're having a good internet connection. Either it should be connected to your cellular data, or if you're having a Wi-Fi, you can also connect to Wi-Fi. Afterwards, you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down and tap on the apps. Now from here, either you can scroll it down like this, or you can go to the bottom over here, search for the FaceTime. If you scroll it down, you'll be able to get the FaceTime. And once you get into this, you have to tap on the FaceTime here. Now first and foremost step is all about this is how it looks like. Now from here, make sure the FaceTime is turned on like this. If it is turned off, you have to turn on the FaceTime. Then you have to give your number and the email ID. As you can see, you can either give the mobile number or the Face ID over here like this. Once you give the number and the email over here like this, what you need to do is you just need to go back. Now you have to tap on the FaceTime over here like this and try making call to the number that you want to make. For example, if I'm trying to make a call to my friend over here, I can try tapping on the call icon over here to him. Either I can make the call on directly, or if I want to make a FaceTime video call, I can just tap on the video call over here. As you can see, that will be redirecting to that. So this is how we can make a FaceTime call to someone on a contact, and this is how we can do it, right? So this is what we have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.